Today, I'm going to be learning science. I don't know why. I just thought it was necessary.
The largest creature there ever was is a mammal, and it lives in the ocean.
Right.
It's a whale.
Right.
The blue whale. So when they say,
Yeah.
how much does a whale weigh?
Right.
The answer is 0. They give you a weight, and how do they give you a weight? They take it out of the water,
Right.
put it on a scale on dry land,
Right.
and then it weighs, gazillion tons.
Shit. Fuck. That's some questions you got asked there, chat. She's like, okay, if he's asking that, then theoretically, the sperm leaves your body, is it really your baby? I'll ask the more riveting question.
The tide doesn't actually come in and out. What happens is there is a bulge of water, 2 of them, on opposite sides of the Earth, caused by the sun and the moon, and Earth turns inside that bulge. So when we say the water rises and falls tidally, what's happening is we are rotating into the bulge and then out of the bulge. So
What? Shit. Who is this guy? Who's this teacher? We might have same teachers. Our teachers might be the same. Who's this teacher? Air what? Fly in the sky, I catch it. Let it go. Chat, let me explain something to you then. So is the Earth like your ballsack then? Because you got a ballsack. Your balls are in the ballsack. Yeah? So really, when you're pissing, it's not coming out of your balls. It's just your balls are swimming in the piss, and your balls are just spinning to let the piss out. Oh my god, I'm a fucking genius, bro. Chat. Fuck. I never knew my intelligence would get to this level. What do I do now? Do I teach a class at Harvard? Fuck that shit. Let's go Oxford. Fuck that shit. Let's go Cove.
Dangerous charged particles come from the sun. We call it the solar wind. They see Earth's magnetic field, and then they channel themselves away and funnel in at the poles. And they collide with our atmosphere and render it aglow, causing the aurora. So when we see the aurora, that's the atmosphere and our magnetic field shielding us from harmful radiation. When I was a kid, I said, if you dug a hole from the United States, because that's where I live, where would you come out on the other side? And everyone says, if you dig a hole all the way to China.
Right. That's always the case.
That's how we say
dig a hole to China
here in the United States.
That's right.
However, China.
Who the fuck said that? If you dig a hole in the United States, you'd still be in the United States. It's a hole, not a tunnel. For fuck's sakes, man. See, Americans, they're just dumb. I just be saying shit, and I just know, low-key chat, fuck. I'm making it one day. I got you. I'm asking the questions they're willing to answer.
Is not where you will land if you dig a hole through the center of the Earth.
Oh,
Because
okay,
if
there you go.
dig a hole through the center and you start in the northern hemisphere, you have to end up in the
Southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere.
Right.
If you start in the western hemisphere, you got to end up in the
Eastern Hemisphere.
That's how the geometry works.
Is that because it's a
But
ball?
on the same wavelength.
All right. I can't
There's-
speak for cat owners, but those who own dogs, that every time you come back from wherever you went, the dog is happy and it's jumpy and it wants to lick you in the face.
See?
But they're going somewhere.
See? I always said, see these dogs, I never trusted them. There's too many breeds. Like, I'm pretty sure there's more breeds of dogs than there's races as humans, like ethnicities and shit. Look at him. Why is he wearing glasses? Have you man seen Cats versus Dogs? Have you man seen that film? The dogs go into the heart. They press the button. They go underneath, and there's like a dog community down there. Telling you. And the only people the dogs rate are the homeless, man. Cause I'm thinking that the dogs say, "Oh, yo, love for the space. I appreciate what you're doing."
No, I'm not a dog psychologist, but let me offer a plausible account of this. Dogs don't live as long as we do. An old dog is like 14, and then they die. We live to 90 if we're, eat well and wear a seatbelt. You divide the two, you get basically a factor of 7. Okay, so this is where the 7 dog years formula comes from.
It's 1
Okay?
exactly.
So if a dog is 3, they're 21 in dog years. This is what we say. How authentic is that, you can ask? It's a convenience, but is there any deeper meaning to it? And I think there is.
Okay.
It means every single day a dog lives is equivalent to a week of your life.
Oh wow.
That's
Oh,
a 7-to-1 ratio.
Poor
Yeah.
handsome.
So if they
Fuck.
if they only get 1 day for every week you're alive, they make every day count. Now, of course,
shit! What the fuck?
If one was able to stop
What the shit? Oh shit, so the dogs get 4 birthdays a year then? You gotta think about it, child. Dogs aren't good. Oh. See? I knew I was a genius all along. I found the route to end the cost of living crisis. Let's take out the dogs. Shit! I'm here. Cause think about it. If a dog lives, yeah. Let's think about it like this. Yeah. Let's think about it like this. Okay, let's think about it like this. Let's do the maths, chat. 1D4D. No, if 1 day for human. No, if 7 days for humans divided by 7. No, wait, what? Chat, I got lost. Wait, it hurt my head. Wait, it hurt. You divide it by 7 because 1 year of human life is 7 years of dog life. Yeah. So you it's 365. You divide it by 7. 365 divided by 7, 52. Yeah. That means what that means, chat. Yeah. So if 1 year is 7 years for dogs, that means on the birthday of the dog, you have to buy a dog a birthday present 7 times a year. To solve that problem of the cost of living, you get rid of the variable of the dog, i.e., put it down, tranquilize it, or what else could you do? Hope it gets cancer early. But you gotta hope it gets cancer early or some shit. You know what I'm saying, chat? Who remembers when Roman Atwood's dog died?
If one was able to stop time, is it true that you wouldn't be able to see anything because the photons would freeze too? Can we make an exception to that?
You know, I don't.
What the fuck? Wow. If you could stop time, you wouldn't be able to see time because the atoms and the photons stop. So your face, your lip would be there, your eyes would be there. You wouldn't be able to see nothing. It's just a flash. Why are you talking? I'm the only one in life. See? That's another shit I'm gonna bring up. The idea of Sonder. Sonder is the ideology that people around you have their own thing going on, and their own story, and their own life. And that's what you need to understand. I speak real spill shit. And cause why? I don't know, chat. We're up in the Earth XP. Wait.
I don't know if I have a good answer for that. No. Because
I had a good answer.
Photon, there
Okay.
is no time. You might have heard that the faster you go, the slower time ticks. This is relativity. And in the limit, at the speed of light, time stops. Yeah. Photons, which exist at the speed of light, when they are emitted at wherever they came from, my PhD thesis was on the center of the galaxy, which is 30,000 light years away. And when I captured those photons, for me watching them, they took 30,000 years. But if you're the photon, the instant you left the center of the galaxy, you hit my detector.
You're right there.
In the same instant.
Yeah.
So if there's zero time, I don't know what effect that would have on the photons.
Right.
Because they don't ever have time.
Yeah, they're outside of time.
In a way, they're outside of time. Black holes are not giant sucking machines.
Right.
They
Fucking shit. What the what's happening? So you're telling me if photons don't have time, does time have time? Or is time just made up? Is time like an imaginary friend? That's what you gotta ask these questions, chat. If photon doesn't have time, do sperm cells have time? Does discharge have time? Why are we not asking these questions?
just have a gravitational field.
Gotcha.
If you get really, really close, kiss your ass goodbye. If you're not, you'll just maintain an orbit around it,
Like we do the sun.
like we do the sun. exactly as we
Right.
do the sun.
Right. We don't crash into
don't
the
crash
sun.
into
We're
the
not
sun.
getting sucked into the
Right,
sun.
right. And so if you step back, it looks like all the planets are spiraling around, which they
Yeah,
are.
yeah.
But they're not getting sucked into the sun.
Why?
All right. So
Wait,
the toilet bowl effect.
Wait. I was about to explain that. Tyson and Cruz, we're gonna learn how to scientifically beat up our wife. Time is propaganda from Uganda to make us feel constricted and not reach our full potential. Fuck's sakes. Wow. I'm starting to believe that shit because this is what I've been saying though, chat. I've been saying it. Who said 2 o'clock's not 11 o'clock? Who said 1 p.m. is not 3 p.m.? Who? Who's to say that I woke up late at 12? Maybe 12's the normal time to wake up. That's the start of the day. What if there was no night and no day? What if it was just the middle? You know? You got a call off Gush's hotline. Yo, you're through to Gush's hotline. How can I help you?
Yo, I'm watching your stream, bro.
Okay. So, what's your take on time?
What's my take on time?
Yeah, what do you think of time?
Time thing is boring, to be honest.
That
It
makes
shouldn't
sense.
be a thing.
Okay. Expand on that.
To be honest, I really can't. I don't think it should be a thing. I don't think you should get tired. Or like, should go dark or be light.
Oh shit! That's fucking profound. What? You shouldn't get
Or, like,
tired.
I don't think it should be light or dark. You know? Because like, that's just like,
Yeah?
yeah.
That makes fucking sense to me. No, because chat, you have to think about it. What's the difference between you bashing at 9 and you bashing at 12? There's no difference. You still bashed.
Yeah, exactly.
Time is just to hold record. I fucking appreciate that insight from you, mate. Appreciate it. You phone in whenever you got a problem or a dilemma and I'll solve that for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright? I'm gonna let you go now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you go now.
Yeah, end it.
You end the phone call.
I'll go back to your stream.
You end it. No, you end it.
You end it. No, you end it.
No, you end it.
No, you end it.
Nah, you end it.
End it.
Oh shit. Now you end it. You end it.
You end it.
No, you end it, man. Hey, stop.
No, end it.
Nah, you end it. You end it.
No, you end it.
Nah, you end it, man. Hey, you end it.
Nah, bro, you're chill. End it.
Nah, you end it.
Yeah, end it.
End it. Yeah. I won. I'm the man of the relationship. You don't have time when you get married. Shit. Abs just said something crazy. Time should start when you wake up. It should be your body clock, not the dunya clock. Oh my fucking god. Dunya clock. Fucking dunya. Why the fuck do we have time zones? That shit makes no sense. Fuck, time zones make no sense. Why is it 12 o'clock here, but in fucking America, it's 8 a.m.? Why do the west side and the east side of America have 2 different times? Why does it matter if I touch a kid now and touch a kid in 30 minutes? Why does it matter? You touch the kid either way. Time isn't a thing.
Which means the inner parts rotate faster than the outer parts.
Okay,
It
yeah.
will drag it into this spiral shape.
Right.
And one of our big challenges was, how does it maintain the grand design 2-arm spiral without over time just winding up on itself?
Right.
Okay, so that's where it got complicated. We had
Wait, I'll explain it. The atoms pull apart from each other, creating a space-time continuum in which lets them slow down. Which lets them slow down. And what people are not understanding about this shit, I call it the shit bro theory. Your shit can hit a ball. It doesn't matter when, it doesn't matter where, it doesn't matter how. It will hit the water. And what that's trying to say, yeah, the speed doesn't matter. It's about how your bowels contract it, and what speed and what smoothness. Do you know what? Fuck. Let's think, Chad. Let's think.
worry about what's called spiral density waves. It's not really a physical gaseous structure. The gas is everywhere. There's a density wave that's moving.
Me and Neil deGrasse are on the same wavelength. There's a reason I call it the shitball theory. Gas, tension, depth, weight. It's not about the speed. It's about all of the variables surrounding. That's why you get spirals.
Across the clouds, triggering star formation. So wherever this density wave is, there's star
Shout out to you,
formation in
Dave.
that shape. So it's more complicated
Seen
than
it.
it looks. But all I'm saying is everything is just simply orbiting the center of the galaxy.
Right.
And it's not like a toilet bowl that's ultimately going to go down the tube.
Right.
I heard that the magnetic field was actually reversed.
This links back to my theory, chat. What did he say? Everything's orbiting the galaxy. The galaxy isn't orbiting everything else. And what did I say before that? It's the external variables, not the central variable. Fuck's sakes, chat. Listen to what I'm saying. I'm literally spitting and tugging on the game. I'm spitting and tugging on the game, chat.